This has a very cooling effect. It has camphor in it, so we have to let the client know that there will be a little burning sensation, but there's nothing to worry. So now after 5 minutes this thing has dried, so he has taken a gauze and he's lightly rubbing it. So all the dead skin which is on the top, the dead layers will come off, and it will help in rejuvenation of cells. Now he's cleaning the tan pack with a wet cotton. Dab the skin with a tissue to remove the extra moisture. Now the skin has become thoroughly clean. Now we'll apply a toner. Now he's going to use a skin tonic to tone the skin and balance its pH. Now this is the massage cream. Now he'll be applying the massage cream on the entire face, and then he will start a soothing face massage. The benefits of a face massage is that the skin gets moisturized, the blood circulation increases, you feel very much relaxed. During the face massage, we do a lot of pressure points also, which helps to eliminate the toxins from the body. A facial is recommended once a month. The skin gets moisturized, pampered, and you get a beautiful glow. The next step will be to apply a serum. Just a few drops of serum will be applied to the entire face. Very lightly massaged into the skin. This is a tonic to the facial skin. With light strokes, it will be penetrated inside. The facial massage strokes should always be very light and soothing. Now, after the relaxing massage, this is the last step, which is a rubber mask. This is a rubber mask where a powder and gel is mixed, and a homogeneous mask is ready, and which we apply on the face. It should be thoroughly mixed. There should be no lumps. It should be applied smoothly and evenly. This is a very cooling mask, and it has beautiful herbs in it. It is applied on the eyes also. Only the mouth and the nose should be left a little open. Otherwise, you have to cover up the entire face in even thick layers. Yeah, so now we have applied the entire mask. It is going to be left on at least for 15 to 20 minutes. It is very relaxing and the client feels very good. And after 20 minutes, the full thing will come out. We'll see it afterwards. Okay, so now after 20 minutes, the pack has nicely set, and now he'll be taking it off. First, you have to loosen it from all sides. it has come out in a complete one homogeneous. Now you can see the skin is become very clean, very light. If there were any dark patches and all have gone away.
This facial was very good. I feel very calm, comfortable and cool, relaxed. And the rubber mask was very good. I already loved it.
Beauty tip: having an excellent facial hygiene is a must if you want to keep your skin looking as healthy as possible. First, examine your facial structure and identify the category you fall into. Start grooming your way to a better looking version yourself. And sometimes going for a facial is just advisable. Coming to our fitness segment today, we will show you Agni Sakriya Pranayama. The objective of this pranayama is to exhale and hold the breath while pulling the stomach muscles in and out rhythmically. This asana can be done 5 to 10 times on a daily basis.
अग्निसार क्रिया. It is a क्रिया. कपालभाती प्राणायाम जालो, बाह्य प्राणायाम जातकच इमिजिएटली अग्निसार क्रिया करात. हांगा कितें करप? दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. आमी तशेंच बसतले. परत हांगा स्टमक विल प्ले अ रोल. लांब श्वास घेवप, श्वास सोडप, श्वास सुटतकच श्वास घट्ट धरप आनी घट्ट धरतकच पोट जें आसा न्ही तें फक्त भितर भायर भितर भायर भितर भायर भितर भायर हालोवप. कपडे आमी उमयटकच आमी पयलीं बायलां कितें करतालीं? झंझाळायतालीं. हय काय न्ही? ती झंझाळायतना कितें करता सांग? ते भितरलो जो साबण जो आसा, कयर जो आसा तो सगळो वता. मागीर आमी ती पिळटालीं. पिळटालीं फाफुडटालीं आनी सुकत घालतालीं. आमी कितें करता? आमची इंटेस्टायन आसा ती बऱ्यो झंझाळायता आनी फाफुडटा तांकां. म्हणजे भितरलें जें नाका जाल्लें जें आसा न्ही तें सगळें भायर येता. बेटर गॅस्ट्रीक ज्युसीस, बेटर इंटेस्टायनल ज्युसीस, सगळें बेटर वॉटर सिक्रेशन, बेटर एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ द न्यूट्रियंट्स वीच आर डायजेस्टेड बिकम्स विथ दीस अग्निसार क्रिया. पळयात, हे अग्निसार क्रियान स्ट्रेट बसप ना, कित्याक पोट हालोवं जाय न्ही. स्ट्रेट बसता जाल्यार पोट हालपाना. मातशें बँड घेवपाचें. हांगा मातशें बँड घेवन बसले आतां. हांगा ज्ञान मुद्रा इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट. जाय जाल्यार ज्ञान मुद्रेन बसात, नाल्यार टेक द सपोर्ट ऑफ दीस पद्मासन, अर्ध पद्मासन, सुखासन. यू हॅव टेकन द सपोर्ट ऑफ दीस युअर नी जॉयंट. आनी मागीर कितें करप? पळयात, लांब श्वास घेतलो, श्वास सोडलो, श्वास घट्ट धरप. हांगा श्वास घट्ट धरप इज इम्पॉर्टंट. परत एकदां दाखयता. श्वास घेतलो, श्वास सोडलो, श्वास घट्ट धरलो आनी मागीर परत सांगता तुमकां कितें करप? श्वास घेतलो, श्वास सोडलो, श्वास सुटतकच श्वास घट्ट धरप आनी घट्ट धरतकच पोट हालोवप. पोट हालयता आसतना श्वास घेवप ना. पोट हालयता ना, पोट हालयता आसतना घेवप ना. आनी कितले मिनटां करपाची? 5 फावटी करपाची. हाका मिनटां बी न्ही. बाह्य प्राणायाम जो आतां तुमकां दाखयला तो 5 फावटी करात. एकदां केलो, 2 फावटी केलो, 3 फावटी केलो, 4 फावटी केलो, 5 फावटी केलो, पुरो. अग्निसार क्रिया मिनटांनी मेजप ना. 4-5 फावटी करात. मदीं प्राणायाम जालो कपालभाती, अग्निसार क्रिया. नेक्स्ट प्राणायाम शिकयतलो तेन्ना मदीं टायम मेळ्ळो, अग्निसार क्रिया. परत दाखयता. स्ट्रेट बसप ना, बँड घालून, टेक द सपोर्ट, लांब श्वास घेवप, श्वास सोडप, श्वास सोडलो, श्वास घट्ट धरलो, सो आमी कितें करता? आमच्यो इंटेस्टायन केन्नाच धुवना आमी. मागीर तें सगळें साफ केलें. हातून ऑटोमॅटीक अगेन वॉट आर द युजीस? ऑल टायम. हाजेर कोलेस्ट्रॉल कमी जाता, ट्रायग्लिसरायड कमी जाता, एक्स्ट्रा एब्जॉर्प्शन जें आसा न्ही नाका जाल्लें एब्जॉर्ब जायना. नाका जाल्लें आमी संडास जो आसा न्ही तो क्लियर भायर सरता. आनी पोट जें आसा न्ही मोठें समज आसा न्ही हळू हळू बारीक जाता, व्हेरी फ्लेक्सिबल जाता. दीस इज अग्निसार क्रिया. फुडल्या हाका आमी जसो आमचो कपालभाती प्राणायाम जालो तसो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट प्राणायाम एज फार एज द हॉर्मोन्स आर कन्सर्न. बिईंग ॲलोपॅथिक डॉक्टर म्हणून ऐकात हॉर्मोनाचो जो प्रॉब्लेम समज जालो न्ही अजून पर्यंत कांय ट्रिटमेंट ना भायले आर्टिफिशियल हॉर्मोन्स दिता हातून तुजे स्वताचे हॉर्मोन्स कशे कंट्रोल करपाचे ओन्ली वन प्राणायाम इज अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम फुडल्या सेशनाक आमी घेतले परत तयार रावत फुडल्या सेशना खातीर नमस्कार.
Fitness tip: Agnisar Kriya is an exercise to fine-tune digestive system and metabolism, cures constipation, reduces belly fat. This pranayama is prohibited for heart patients and people with high blood pressure. Also, those who have undergone abdomen surgery should not do this pranayama. That's all we had for you in this episode of Fashionista. If you have any queries or suggestions, please write into me at greta@prudentmedia.in. Till then, take care until we meet the next week. Goodbye and